Today, we're going to talk about things that people say or ask you when you drive a truck on airbags. Number one, the "you ruined it" people, usually old people. Nice truck. That thing's a classic. They don't make them like that anymore. Too bad you ruined it by sitting it on the ground and doing all them other things. Listen here, Dorothy Mae. I'm just pulling up to Chili's to enjoy myself a meal, not to get your damn approval of what I did with my truck. Ruined it? This thing was headed to the crusher. I'll get to daily drive it now. In my eyes, I saved it. If someone wanted to restore this thing back to original, sure, it could be done. You're gonna have a long fucking road ahead of you, though. Number two, the people who think your shocks are busted. Yo, bro, that truck's sweet, man, but I think your shocks are busted. Yep, my shocks are busted. Run up to O'Reilly's, get a new set of shocks, and just pick this truck right the fuck up. Number three, the people who say you can't haul shit with it anymore. Internationals were good trucks. Too bad now yours won't haul shit. I bet it could haul your mom's big ass home. Number four, how do you drive your truck like that? Yeah, cool truck, man, but it's like on the ground. I don't see how you can drive that. Oh, it don't drive. It's actually a hovercraft. The wheels just fucking kick out and this motherfucker flies everywhere. And number five, trucks are supposed to be lifted. Trucks are supposed to be fucking lifted. Oh, are they? Speaking of lift, I'm about to lift this size 12 work boot right up your fucking ass. Well, that's that. Realistically, we could probably make this video an hour long, especially if we applied it to all the other car scenes out there. Be sure to hop over to Instagram, give me a follow on there at Puddin's Fab Shop. Check out my other videos on here where we actually work on stuff. I don't just rant in front of a camera. And subscribe, share, tell family, tell friends. I'll see y'all in the next video.